In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious, easy, fast soup recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup sliced carrots, 1 cup of sliced parsnips, 1 bag of fideo pasta, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and 1 teaspoon of parsley. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in the oil. Add in the carrots and saute them. Now we're going to add in the parsnips and continue to saute them. Season with the salt, pepper, chicken bouillon, and the parsley. Now we're going to add in 8 cups of water. Cover with a lid and bring to a boil. Add in the fideo pasta. Cover with a lid and simmer until the pasta is completely cooked. Now we're going to take our soup out into a bowl. Our fast and easy soup is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.